Download the Amazon Alexa app from the Play Store. Check if there are any updates for the Qualcomm Voice Assist app. Launch the Alexa app. Log in with your Amazon ID. Give permissions to Alexa and Qualcomm Voice Assist. Make sure to go for voice training so Alexa can learn your voice. Alexa. Alexa. You can allow Alexa to respond even when your phone is locked. Give Alexa access to your contact list to make hands-free calls. Here is the Alexa home screen. Now you're all set. Why not ask Alexa a question? Alexa, how are you?
I'm happy to be talking to you. How are you doing?
I'm great too, thanks.
So glad to hear it.
To access Alexa through touch, make sure to add it as a widget on the home screen. Tap and hold the Alexa icon, click widget and drag it into position. From here, Alexa is just one tap away at all times.